Hi guys, welcome to Cognitive Hub SQL tutorials. In this video, I am going to explain about how the foreign key will work in SQL, and in the previous video we have seen about how the primary key and different constants like a unique as well as not null constants have used in declaring a columns in SQL table. And in this video I am going to explain about how the foreign key is assigned to a particular column in a table and what is nothing but a foreign key references in SQL. Now without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Okay guys, in order to illustrate a foreign key, we need to create two tables here. That means first of all I am creating a new table here for teachers. Create table name is teachers table, teachers, and here what it will store is, it will store the teacher ID as well as teacher name. Teacher ID is T_ID, which is nothing but integer, and then which is a primary key here, which is a unique for every teacher. And what I want to declare one more thing is teacher name. So teacher underscore name, which is a varchar of 20. I want to declare it as 20. Now what it means is it will store the teacher details here. One is teacher identity, teacher ID, which is a primary key and which is a unique for each teacher, and teacher name, which is which can be a same also. Now I am executing this query, and now what I am doing is I am inserting a couple of records here. Insert into teachers values as the record value is 1 2 3 4, and then the teacher name is Kiran, and I am running it. Similarly I want to insert one more record here, 1244, which is the name of Swapna. I am running it, and similarly I am entering one more record here, 1254, which is a record of Vinay. I am running it. So total we have 3 records here for teachers. Select star from teachers. So we have total 3 records, and here the teacher ID is unique for 3 teachers here, 1 2 3 4 for one member, and 1 2 4 4 for one another, and 1 2 3 5 4 for another. So we are done with the teachers table. Now what I am doing is I am creating another table. Create table. The class now I want to create a table for classes of, here what I am doing is I want to mention it as class ID C_ID integer, and then class name, class underscore name, which is a varchar of 10, and then another column is teacher ID, which is an integer. And now what I want is I want to specify this T_ID. I want to enter only this T_ID from the existing teacher value. This is the teacher table here. So we have total of 3 teachers. I want to use only these 3 teachers in this table. So how to link this teachers table and classes table is, we have a foreign key here. So what foreign key will do is, if I specify this T_ID here as a foreign key, what it will do is, whenever you are entering a value for T_ID, it will take it only if that particular entered value belongs to any of these any of this record present in the teachers table. Suppose the declaration for this is foreign key of T_ID, whatever the column that you need to specify as a foreign key, and references, and whatever the reference column in the in the another table should be must as a primary key. And references, the table is teachers, the id is t underscore id. Here in the t underscore id it is a primary key, so that's why it is not showing any error. Now what happens is, here I want to declare the t underscore id as a foreign key. That means I only want to insert this t underscore id values from the teacher's value, and if the value is different from the value present in the teacher's if the entered value is different from the IDs present in the teachers table, then it will show an error. I am going to show you how it will throw an error. So this is the declaration of how you need to assign a foreign key for your table. So here I have assigned a foreign key for the t underscore id, and whatever the table that you are referring, that is what references will say tell to you. And that referenced table you need to mention here. The referenced table is teachers, and what is the referenced column? The column is t underscore id. Now I am running it. If I run this, the classes is created. Now I am inserting a data into it. Insert into classes value. Now the values are CID is nothing but, first of all I am mentioning it as 10, and then class name is 10th, and the teacher is, first of all I am mentioning it as 1 2 3. Now if I run it, it will show an error, because what it is means, it is an integrity constraint. That means parent key not found. Here from the teachers what we have is, we have only records 1 2 3 4 1 4 1 2 4 4 and 1 2 5 4, but here I am trying to enter a 1 2 3 which is not there in the teachers, so that is why it is showing a integrity constraint violation. So if I modify it to 1 2 3 4, then what it will show is, if I run it, then it is successfully entered. Sorry, if I run it, it is successfully entered. So if I run the query to retrieve the records from the table, and what it will show is, it will show the successful data. Similarly, we can also assign a one TID for multiple members also. So what I am doing is, I am writing the 9 here, and the name is 9th, and I don't want to modify the teacher name, because one teacher can teach us to multiple classes as well. So here one teacher with ID 1 2 3 4 is teaching a 9th and 10th classes, so it is also accepted here. Sorry, it is showing here values, typo error. So I am running it, so it is also inserted. Select star from classes. Now what happens is, CID is 10 and 9, that means 10th class and 9th class. The teacher ID is 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That means a single teacher can teach one subject to 2 classes as well. Similarly, you can also enter. So what it means, I think you will get some idea on how to use the foreign key and what is the main use of foreign key and all. Now foreign key means, if you want to use the existing data in the another table, by specifying only the retrieved data, then you can use the foreign key here. That means if you want to retrieve only that particular, if you want to insert into a table, if that particular value is having in the another table, then you can use the foreign key here. Similarly, you can also use the another key like 1 2 4 4 for 9th class as well. So what it will show is, for the 1 2 4 4 will also teach one subject for 9th class. So 9th class will be taught by 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 4 4. Two teachers will teach 9th class, different subjects might be. I have entered this CID class name just for random. If it is a business class tables, then it will be something different, as well as foreign key will be used to link, if we have a relationships in SQL, that is nothing but one to in databases, that is one to many relationship and many to one relationship, as well as one to one relationship. So how you can do the such type of relationships is using primary key and foreign key by doing a references between two tables. So that is the main use of this foreign key. What I used is, here what we have done is, the classes table will be used by the teachers table will be used by classes table here. For one class we can have multiple teachers, and as well as for one teacher can deal with multiple classes here. like one teacher can teach multiple subjects to different classes. That is nothing but teacher is in one to many relationship with classes. So that is how it will like the foreign key gets used. So this is all about the foreign keys and all the constraints in SQL, guys. Thank you for watching.